I'm back to double check if we retain what we learned, and I will be testing you out to see if you retained what you just learned in the previous video. We will be testing. Let's count first the same numbers. I just make sure that I want to make sure that you really understand what we're counting. So we counting. We decide to count fingers, which is minwe, and so we want to start. Umo, ibidi, isatu, ina, itano, isamba, bibidi, mwanda, kitema, dikumi. So let's. It's exciting to realize that you understand it now, and let's go. If I do this, you tell me ibidi. If I do that, you say ina. If I do this, you say itano. If I do this, you say dikumi. And you know what we're counting fingers minwe. Minwe. So let's start. Are you ready? Thank you. I hope you get it right. It's umo. Okay, umo. So umo, munwe, umo. So the things always come. What you counting comes always first. Umo. If it's an individual, you say muntu, which is a muntu, umo. And so let's go. Let's count. Now, if I do this, that's one of the hardest for me. What about this? Isamba. Very good. And then what about this? Dikumi, which means 10. So we let's count again. Let's refresh your memory. We're gonna have dikumi, kitema, mwanda, and then we have isamba obidi. Then we have isamba. When we have itano, we have ina. We have isatu, we have ibidi, and we have umo. Very good. So things are rolling. So I hope you are really excited to learn this language, which I noticed that I didn't see it anywhere. Looking in the YouTube over here and there, to make sure that somebody is teaching the language, especially for those people who are passionate about it, and those people who are willing to go and maybe work to North Katanga or to do something exciting down there, so they have a little bit of basis of what they have to encounter or hear down there. So we will focus on counting, which is the easiest things, and over time we'll excel more on things which you're probably expecting. So please comment, and if there is anything you want me to do more, let me know. If I know how to do it, I will get involved. And I'll talk to you again, and God bless you, and see you soon, very soon. Thank you. Bye.